Introducing Bremod Keratin Silky Straight Rebonding Cream. First, wash your hair with shampoo to remove all residue. Then blow dry. Wet application is recommended for colored damage hair. Apply Bremod Keratin Silky Straight Rebonding Cream No. 1 evenly on your hair, with 2 to 3 centimeters away from the scalp or roots. For resistant hair 20 to 30 minutes. For normal hair 10 to 25 minutes, and for damaged hair like mine 5 to 10 minutes. Check your hair and spray water on the damaged bleach area to avoid dryness or more damage on your hair. Rinse hair with warm water after pre-softened, if needed. Apply an ample amount of keratin hair mask intensive care. Then rinse well and blow dry hair completely. Iron your hair using straightening iron. After ironing, let it cool. Apply the Bremod Keratin Hair Silky Straight No. 2 evenly on your hair with 2 to 3 centimeters away from the scalp or roots. Leave for 15 minutes. Then rinse well. For best results, apply keratin hair mask intensive care for 5 minutes, then rinse. Blow dry hair and iron the hair once again if needed. That's the result if you rebond your bleach damaged hair. Thank you for watching.